It fly somewhere. Put it up against the chest. There you go. Move around. You'll see it.
Seen a cat chase a laser, but I never seen a bird do that.
I can get a bird chase. Go up against have him head off toward the door. It's white, and he'll show up real good in the camera with that against the light.
There he goes.
I see it. Bring it down to him a little bit. There we go. Hurt his beak a little bit on that one. They can go in circles.
Okay.
You can't get him go around and around. Make it go around and around again. It makes him go crazy.
I think it's running out of battery.
Yeah, well, he did good. He at least chased a little bit.
Yeah, you cute little bird, huh? Cute little bird.
I gotta wait it off.
Start flying around again.
It's good.